Good morning students. Today I teach civics. Civics unit 2 political parties. Page number 192. I'll take the page number 192. I take topic political parties. Political parties. Political parties an அரசியல் கட்சி. In earlier times the empire and kings ruled in India. The king was supreme head of legislative, executive and judiciary branches. The government was on hand one person. The colonies became after independence was declared 1950. In democratic people able voice their opinions, the political party. What are political parties? Political parties are the voluntary association of individual with board ideological identity who are agree on some policies, formulate and agenda and programming for the society. The political parties has three basic components: the leader, the active member, the follows. The leader, head, the active members, and the follow the members and follow the people. Importance of political parties. Political parties are the backbone of democracy. They formulate public opinion. They serve as an intermediate between the citizen and the policy makers. The party recognizes it has been engaged in political active for 5 years. Its candidates secure at least 6% of total votes in the last general election. Function of the political parties. You see the pictures. Provide, nominate, organize, inspire, coordinate, government. Types of party system. There are three major types of systems. Single party, bi-party, multi-party. Single party, only one party. Bi-party, two party. Multi-party, so many parties. First, single party, only one party, only party. In China, North Korea, Cuba. Bi-party system, two-party system, United Kingdom, USA, America. Labour Party and Conservative Party, England, USA, Republican, Democratic parties. Multi-party system, so many, three and above. India, France, Sweden, Norway, Sri Lanka, it is so many peoples. Party system in India. Countries that followed a federal system that who kinds of parties. National, there are national parties, regional parties and registered but unrecognized parties, independent candidates. Every party in the candidate has registered with the election commission. How to form up a political party? Must get registered with the election commission of India. Must have at least 100 members. Each member need to hold a voting card. Third, must write a party constitution. National parties and regional parties. National parties, Deshiya Katchi, regional, Manila Katchi. First, national parties at least 6% vote in Lok Sabha election. Minimum 4 seats. Then 2% in the Lok Sabha, at least 3 different states. Next, regional parties or state party. At least 6% vote in Lok Sabha legislative election. Then 25 seats or 2 seats win the legislative assembly. Need 3% total vote. Recognized parties A registered but unrecognized political party cannot contest election on its own symbol. This party has no choose one symbol for free symbol poll panel announced by the Election Commission. Majority party, minority, opposite party. Majority party, the election will be conducted, commission, the political party participate. Which party, majority party, win the election, that party majority. Next, opposition party. Opposition party, that is second party, then win next level party, second party, that only opposition party. Example, then Tamil Nadu, then ADMK win the government, the DMK opposition party. Then elects opposition party leader give the promotion that cabinet leader powers which have that powers that opposition party leaders. Next, difference national party, regional and state party. National parties are political parties which participate in different elections all over India. Regional parties are political parties which participate in different elections but only within one state. It should be strong enough in at least 4 states. It should be strong enough in at least 1 or 2 states. It has an exclusive symbol throughout the country. A symbol is reserved for it in the state in which it is recognized, but same symbol and be allotted to different parties in different states. It revolves state, national and international issues. It promotes regional and state interests. Electoral symbol and its important. Election Commission of India, then State Election Commission of India, then Tamil Nadu, the state capital Chennai. Then National Election Commission of India, New Delhi, its had 3 members. Then Chief Election Commissioner and joint 2 members. Okay, thank you students. Then tomorrow homework, question answer 1 and 2 question.